Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make teriyaki salmon. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 pound of salmon fillets or salmon steaks, 1.5 cups of teriyaki sauce, and a half cup of water. We'll start by preparing our marinade. We'll take 1 cup of our teriyaki sauce and thin it out with a half cup of water. Then, we'll add our salmon steaks or salmon fillets. We'll cover our salmon with plastic wrap and allow it to marinate in the fridge overnight. We've let our salmon marinate overnight. So next, we'll preheat our oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, we'll remove our salmon from the refrigerator and place it on a lined cookie sheet before basting it with our additional half cup of teriyaki sauce. If your salmon has skin, you'll place these on the baking sheet skin side down. After our oven has preheated, we'll bake our salmon for about 5 to 6 minutes per half inch of thickness. I'm using very thin salmon fillets, so I'm only going to bake mine for 6 minutes total. Salmon should still be pink but opaque when it's cooked through. We'll remove it from the oven and serve it with a side of rice and teriyaki stir-fried broccoli. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.